Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create PHP e-commerce website using OpenCode CLI. This is really simple and let me show you step by step. At first, you have to install OpenCode CLI in your PC. How to install it? I'll give a video link in the I button somewhere at the top of the video. Okay, watch the video and you will learn how to install OpenCode CLI on PC. And I'm not going to show it once again because it will be a very long video otherwise. So now let me show you the real process, how you can actually create e-commerce website. So we are going to create a simple shop and this is the structure. Let me zoom it a little bit. Here you can see we have index.php, product, cart, and then add to cart PHP. So these are the file and we have another file here. It will be inside data folder and the file name will be products.php, and then we will actually include header and footer for every single page. So we'll actually keep it in a single folder and that is called includes, and there will be two files, header and footer. After that we have asset folder. There will be only one style sheet and that is style.css. Okay, so now we have to actually go for the open code. Now let's just go to the desktop and here or maybe you can actually select any drive where you actually want to create your project. So just click here and click a new folder. We will say here OpenCode CLI. Go inside of it and click here in the address bar and type here cmd and hit enter to open command prompt here. And here we have to write OpenCode CLI. Okay, so we'll say here OpenCode and hit enter. When you install OpenCode CLI, you will find something like this, and here we have to actually give the prompt. Okay, now let me copy all of them. Okay, and I will go to the chatgpt. Here you can see currently I'm in chatgpt and here I'm going to paste it and I'm going to ask chatgpt to give me a prompt. So I will say here that hit enter. Let's just go with this, how it works. Let's see. Now we'll just copy this. Okay, and we'll go there and we'll paste it here. Okay, so press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Here you can see pasted 28 line. Now we'll hit enter to execute it. So it will be executed. Here you can see. We just have to wait for some times. So guys, here you can see the shop is fully functional. You can browse product. Okay, so now we got everything. Now let's just go to the folder where we have actually. So here you can see PHP OpenCode CLI. So this is a simple shop. Here you can see. And we have here asset. And the asset we have style.css. In the data we have products. And then in the includes we have header and footer. We have index, cart, add to cart, and product, right? Everything. Now we are going to open this. So what I have to do is we have to actually cut this project from here, or maybe you can actually copy this and you have to go to the folder where you have actually installed XAMPP. Here you can see I have installed XAMPP in this folder. Here you will find a folder called XAMPP. If you install it in C drive, you will find it inside C drive. Here you will find a folder called XAMPP, XAMPP. Okay, so just go to that folder and go to the htdocs. Okay, here you can see we have the htdocs. Go inside of it and paste the project here. And now you have to open XAMPP, XAMPP, XAMPP control panel. So you have to have this XAMPP in your PC. If you don't know how to install XAMPP, so let me show you. Just go to the XAMPP, search XAMPP in the browser and you will find this link and click here download. And you have to actually download the latest version. Here you can see. Just click here download and install it. Okay, that's it. Now here you can see we have simple shop. Okay, so just rename this or maybe just copy this name and go to the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache server. And since we have no database related things, so we don't want to actually start it. Okay, and let's just go to the browser and say localhost / and the project name. Hit enter and here you can see this is the project we have. Here you can see if we click here in the add to cart, it will be added. Add to cart, here you can see added. Now if we click here add to cart, here you can see added. Now if we click here in the cart, we'll find here all the details, right, with the value. So that's it guys. Now if you want to actually connect this through the database, what you have to do, you have to actually create a database at first and then you have to connect the database to this project. I'm going to create a separate video for this. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.